Are fruity notes in Belgian ale from the yeast. Imagine biting into a juicy pear or a ripe banana. That's the kind of fruity aroma and flavor you often find in Belgian ales. But where do these fruity notes really come from? Many people think it's all about the ingredients like malt or hops, but in Belgian beers, the yeast plays a starring role. Yes, the yeast used during fermentation is primarily responsible for creating those distinctive fruity flavors. Belgian ale yeasts are known for producing special compounds called esters. These esters are responsible for aromas and tastes that reminded you of fruits like pears, bananas, figs, cherries, and even apples. When yeast ferments sugar into alcohol, it also releases these esters as a natural part of the process. The warmer the fermentation temperature, the more esters the yeast tends to produce. That's why Belgian brewers often ferment at higher temperatures to get that signature fruitiness. In addition to esters, Belgian yeasts also produce phenols, which are spicy compounds. These phenols add flavors like clove and pepper, giving Belgian ales a complex and layered profile. Different yeast strains are used for different Belgian styles, such as Saccharomyces cerevisiae strains that are especially good at creating these fruity and spicy notes. Some Belgian beers, like Lambics, use wild yeasts and bacteria from the environment, which can add even more complexity. But for most traditional Belgian ales, the yeast is the main source of those fruity flavors. Breweries select specific yeast strains like White Lab's WLP 550 or L'Allemande Abbé because they reliably produce rich fruitiness and handle the alcohol levels of stronger Belgian beers. So, the next time you enjoy a Belgian ale with a fruity aroma, remember that it's the yeast doing all the work. Its unique fermentation process is what makes these beers stand out with their lively, fruit-forward character. The yeast's ability to produce esters and phenols is what truly defines the flavor profile of Belgian ales.